we have our range top around here. We have our range bottom around here. So price on the 4-hour time frame is revolving, is ranging between the bottom and the top. The buyers will take it from the bottom, the sellers will drop it at the top. So we expect that to continue for now until we have a range break. Okay, so that's that on the 4-hour time frame. Let's look at the 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see a bearish trend. Okay, price is trending down. So we have a low here. We have a low here. Okay, we have a low here. We have a high, lower high. We have a lower high. Then we have a lower low. Okay, we have a lower low around here. We have a lower high. We have a lower high. Also have another lower low. Okay, price kept printing lower lows and lower highs. So that's a bearish trend. In a bearish trend, you look for selling opportunities until you have a change of character or a break of structure to the upside. But for now, price is selling on the 1-hour time frame. Let's go to the 30 minutes time frame. What do we have on the 30 minutes time frame? We can see price also selling in the sense that this is a low, this a high. Okay, this is a lower, high, this is a lower low rather, and this is a lower high. This is a lower high, and price is trying to break this particular low. A break of this low will give us lower high. Of course, that's going to be possible. That might be possible today. Might have a break of this low today. Okay, that's the 30 minutes time frame. On the 15 minutes time frame, you can see a head and shoulder pattern on 15 minutes time frame. This is the left shoulder. This is the head. This is the right shoulder. Okay, and you can see the neckline has been broken, and price went down. Okay, price has gone down. Okay, and price is trying to go up. Okay, but if it drops to this level, which is possible, right, we might see price printing more lows. Okay, so that's that for the 15 minutes time frame. Let's drop to the 5 minutes time frame. You can see on the 5 minutes time frame, price printing lower, a low here. Price printed a high. Price printed a high. Price is also printing a lower low around here, and we have a lower high. So look for selling opportunities right now. Look for how to scalp sell the volatility 75 index, because what we have on the screen is a bearish trend on the 5 minutes time frame. You might allow price to break this low before you enter your sell. Okay, but in as much as you are placing your sell trade, you're scalping and selling, watch out for breakout to the upside. If price is going to break out to the upside, price might target this high first before getting to this high, if it's going to go to the upside. Okay, let's quickly look at the 1 minute time frame, then we'll call it today. Okay, on the 1 minute time frame, you can see the buyers are trying to step in. Okay, the buyers are trying to step in. So drawing your trend line, you can find out where price might likely break out. Okay, we have the buyers trying to step in there, and we also have another trend line here. So watch out for the breakout on the 1 minute time frame. This is V75 on the 1 minute time frame. Watch out for the breakout of price. Most likely price will break to the downside. If it breaks to the downside, price will target this particular area first before going to this low. Okay, but if it breaks to the upside, it will target this range top first before coming to this area. So that's that on the 1 minute time frame for volatility 75 index. Volatility 75 index on the 1 minute time frame is currently ranging. Allow the range breakout. Allow the range to break out. It could break out to in this direction. It could break out in towards this direction. Allow it to break out before you take your trade. But for now, if you look at what has happened on the higher time frame, looking at the daily time frame, you can see a double top. Okay, I see a double top on the daily time frame, telling us that the sellers are in the market. This is telling us that sellers came in here, and sellers also came in here. We are unable to establish a higher high for now. But this is VCN5 index, anything can happen. Price could give us a double bottom around here. Okay, what do I mean by double bottom? This is our first bottom. So this area might print, price might print another bottom in this area for us to now have a bullish run. And if we are going to have a bullish run, price needs to break this high first. Okay, for the buyers to succeed in the bullish run. But if the double bottom fails and price drops and breaks this low, if the double bottom fails and price breaks this 371997 low, then we might see price going down. If price is going to go down, it's going to test our order block around here on the daily time frame. We have our order block on the daily time frame around here, and possibly price might get a lift from there and then go up, or continue to drop if it breaks this particular support area. Okay, that's that on the daily time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see a range, like I said at the like I said in the last video. You can see a range on the 4-hour time frame. My last video, yesterday's video, I mentioned that there's a range on the 4-hour time frame. These are range. This is the range low. And this is the range. This is the range high. Okay, these are range high. So price is revolving between the range. Okay, revolving within the range. Okay, so the range is like a protection, a barrier, or a point where the sellers and buyers step in. Okay, if price gets to the top of the range, the sellers come in and then to take it down. Price gets to the bottom of the range, the buyers step in and take it down until we have a range breakout. Okay, we might likely have a range breakout today because price is at the bottom of the range, but we might be surprised price could just go up for us to have 1, 2, 3, a triple bottom. Okay, this will be our first bottom in case price goes up. This will be our second bottom in case price will go, in case price goes up, and this will form our third bottom. But for us to confirm that this is our third bottom, price needs to break this this particular range, top here, for us to have a break of neckline of a top bottom. Okay, so with that we can have a triple 1, 2, 3, a triple bottom. Okay, but for now it's bearish. We have more sellers in the market for now. In as much as we are in a range, we have more sellers. If you look at on this 4-hour time frame, if you look at what is happening, we have more sellers in the market. Price need to break this descending trend line. If it breaks this descending trend line and then now break this structure here, then we might have the bulls coming in. But for now, the bears are in charge on the 4-hour time frame. Looking at the 1-hour time frame, the bears are also in charge. You can see bears are in charge. We have a low here, lower high, a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and price is at the bottom. If it breaks and drops below, then we have a lower low, and it will be confirmed bearish trend. I've already analyzed what is happening on the 1 minute, the 5 minutes, and the 15 minutes video. So that's that for today's video on that scalp volatility 75 index. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. If you are yet to like this video, go ahead and click the like button. If you are yet to click on the notification bell button below the video, go ahead so that you'll be notified when we release another video tomorrow. You can drop comment, ask question below the video. You can also visit our website www.beanfxtrader.com to learn more on how to trade volatility 75 index. You can visit another website of ours, fxfables.com, to learn more on how to trade volatility 75 index. Like, come your way tomorrow. It's bye for now.